when will Amanda resume school? As you all know, Wayek is already at the corner.
Well, we have a situation at home, so I don't really know.
By situation, you mean financial crisis?
Something like that.
Wait. What if I suggest, we contribute money to help her buy the farm? What do you think?
Yes.
Excuse you? What nonsense. So because my father is not buoyant, you want to rub it on our faces? Don't blame you guys.
No, it's not like that. Ifeoma! Ifeoma! Ifeoma, wait! Ifeoma! Ifeoma, wait now, wait!
Aha! Jenna Yelugo. Welcome, oh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please, who are you and how may I help you?
Okay, I am Esther, a copper in Informa and Amanda School.
Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Any problem?
Not really, ma. I came because of Amanda. I noticed she's been absent from school for a while now, and Wayek is at late entries already.
Things are hard. Amanda's absence from school is not intentional. My husband's business has not been doing well. So we discussed and decided that one should drop for the other one to attend. So that by next year, the other one will be taken.
Ma, I am so sorry to hear this. I honestly understand that times are hard. But on this very case, I would plead you kindly renegotiate with your husband. Amanda is a very brilliant child and should not be allowed to drop out of school. Please.
No problem. I will discuss with my husband once he returns to see what will come out of the discussion. Please. I will let you know if need be.
Okay. In case you need our help, we are there.
No problem.
Thank you, ma. Please. Can I see her?
Who?
Amanda.
Oh, you want to see her too? You don't have a problem. She's washing clothes at the backyard. Just this way, oh.
Thank you, ma.
Amanda, oh! Your teacher is here.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening, my dear. You are crying. Sit. Sit. What is it? Stop crying, my dear. I am here because of you. You've been absent from school. And Wayek is by the corner.
Mama said I should write next year. But there's no money.
It's okay. It's okay. I have spoken with her to reconsider the decision. Look, I don't even mind getting the school involved. Okay? You have to stop crying. You are too intelligent to be ignored.
Miss Esther, there's no need for all this. I have waited since the death of my parents to write Wayek. Mister is just here. I can still wait.
No, you will not. Anyway, there is no harm in trial. So let me do my part, okay? For now, you have to stop crying. Please. It will not solve anything.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I need to leave. Come. sorry.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I don't have to give up. Give in and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself doubting how far I go, I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
My dear, you're welcome.
I saw Miss Esther leaving on my way back. What did she come to do?
Oh, teacher. She came to plead on Amanda's behalf. To allow her come back to school and partake in the WAEC. Though I told her that we don't have enough money to, push two of you. But she offered to help.
Mama, I think Amanda has been calling people, telling them about her family.
How? It is not possible. She does not have a phone. And I made sure she doesn't leave the house at any time. So how?
Mama, I know what I'm saying. Could you believe our classmates were saying the same thing today? Suggesting to contribute money to buy WAEC form for her.
I don't understand. Suggesting to contribute money so that she can partake in the WAEC. As what? As your class messiah. Amanda!
Yes, Mama!
Chicken dog, you're here! Papa, who and who have you been discussing our family with?
Nobody, Mama.
Don't get me upset. Do not get me upset. I don't want to repeat myself. Who have you been discussing with?
Ma, I'm saying the truth. Nobody.
Do you want to die? Amanda, I'm asking you, do you want to die?
Mama, nobody.
Yeah, I heard that your classmates are discussing about contributing money so that you partake in the WAEC as their class messiah. Is that so? And your teacher came here begging for me to allow her to offer help. Yeah, plan deal. Plan deal. Now, telling people what is happening in and out of this house. I'm asking.
Mama, I swear.
You
I'm
swear?
saying the truth.
You swear? Eh? Is that? I'm not looking.
This boy is not yet back.
Yeah?
Hello, CJ. Where are you now? I told you I'm coming today.
No, Mama. I have not. Please wait for me. We just closed. I'll be back very soon.
Please be fast. There's no time. You know I need to go back.
This woman, what are you doing here? Huh? I'm asking you. So you came all the way from the city to come and badmouth me before myself. Is that also? Huh? Get out of here, shameless and foolish prostitute.
Don't have fire that your mouth.
Huh?
Yes! I came to badmouth you. See, let me tell you, even the child in the womb knows how useless you are.
Hey!
When you say the Maya, do you know any other thing apart from drinking and womanizing up and down?
Oh, because you have started seeing small money. Now, you are now bold enough to talk to me anyhow. Oh, your mind is telling you that I don't know. I know. I know all the movement you are making. You left me so that you'll be free. Get freedom to do your prostitution. Is that not so? See, let me tell you. If I fail to tell my son about this, let me bend. Let me see what will make me not to bend if I did not tell my son.
You are already bending. Huh? You bending. What else is remaining?
No, I can't.
Okay. Your son. Look at me. Tell myself. Your son, yet you cannot provide anything for me.
Okay.
What else do you know? Apart from drinking and womanizing everywhere.
It's alright.
I know it's because of the small money I'm giving you. Oh, yeah, TV are you now? You will not see one there. Only believe a shameless man. Here I met you. Hey!
I don't have your time. I don't.
You start drink.
By the time I'm done with you, you will know what. Okay, boy, you will not see. You will
shameless man.
I reserve my comment for you. By the time I'm my son will know. Something that to make me.
Felix, why are you like this?
Listen, what are you talking about?
You don't come to my house, and when I come to yours, you do not have my time. You don't even give me attention. You know I love you so much. Don't you love me?
Listen, Esther. I've told you times without number. I don't want any entanglement during my service here. I was born strictly by my father.
Come on, Felix. Your father will not live your life for you. Just give us a chance, okay? Just give us a chance. Look, I love you. And you will not regret this, okay? Look at you.
Esther, just wait, please. I had an ethic day today at school. I think it's time for you to go.
Are you asking me out of your house?
Esther, please. I'll see you tomorrow.
Please.
Oh. Can you just stop? Come on, stop.
It's okay, it's okay.
You have to go now.
Yeah. What has this girl done to you? Eh? Leave her alone. Do you want to kill her?
I want to kill her. I want to kill her and feed her corpse to the vultures.
Chukwamekwe. Eh? Pupu. Pupu eba ikulu. On ACC. Eh? How can you say something like that? This is the only daughter of my late brother. Do you want to kill her? Don't kill her for me. It's not a crime to be an orphan.
It is a crime to be a stupid and the foolish and the stubborn orphan. That's all you have to say.
Nani,
is this all you have to say? You didn't even ask what she did wrong. You are supporting her already.
Did she kill anybody?
Is that what you want to ask?
Did she kill anybody? Mba. Leave her alone. Ah! Every day, boom, boom, boom. Ofonye, one person.
Okay.
Where? Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Papa.
Let's go inside. Go inside.
Let's go.
Something is wrong with you.
Something is not wrong with me.
Something is not wrong with you.
No, something is not wrong with you.
Oh, you beat me now.
I am not beating you. I cannot do that though. So that you go and call your kinsmen. Eh? Goddamn rock cooker. Woo! You will not chop any fowl. Not at all. You see this girl? I will discipline her.
Hi. Mami
Ifoma. Ask me what this girl did.
Mami
Eh? How can she be discussing our family outside? For what? Because I gave her permission to stay here. Eh?
Mami Ifoma,
allowance. And you gave her the allowance. Or so that's your bed.
Mami Ifoma,
I will not! Don't worry. Don't worry. He will go out. Let me see where you will run to. Ifoma, are you seeing your father? Eh? Have you seen him? He is supporting her without asking what she did wrong. So what the wrong? Don't worry. Let me sound up on her. He will leave now. He will leave. Let me see how she will survive this. You are discussing my family with students. Idiot. I'm a chauvinistic human being. No, I will buy megaphone for you. Give megaphone so that you go and do evangelism about how I don't want you to partake in your wayek. I will deal with you.
I don't understand this thing. I don't understand anything here. Look, see. I don't understand this thing. Had it been that Amanda is here now, she will help us to solve all this. Huh?
David, my brother, you are very correct. Amanda has been absent for a while now. Or is she not writing this wayek with us?
Ah, haven't you heard? You didn't hear what happened to her?
You are saying as if we know what is going on. What happened?
Okay, since you guys don't know what is going on, let me tell you. I heard from a reliable source that Mami Ifoma wants Ifoma to write wayek first before Amanda.
This is serious.
Imagine.
And Amanda is very intelligent.
Oh.
What is Papi Ifoma saying about this?
Oh, the old man refused. But as time goes on, Mami Ifoma stopped cooking for him. Even Ifoma stopped cooking for the father.
Serious.
Then, when Amanda will now try to cook for the father, they will not gather up and beat her up. I'm telling you. I'm just feeling for that poor girl. Seriously.
No, this is wickedness. Why would the mother be behaving like that? The worst is that Ifoma never mentioned this to me.
Oh. Do you expect Ifoma to report her mother to you?
It's not like I want her to report the mother.
See. That girl is very wicked. That Ifoma, she's very wicked. I don't like her.
Huh? What did you just say?
Isn't it? It's obvious now.
No, don't talk to her.
Because it's your girlfriend. You know,
I don't like that. Why would you be using such
Beggy.
Hey, handle it with care. CJ gave this to me.
Okay, Mrs. CJ Honora. I will handle it with care. Thank you. What of her, Amanda?
What about her?
When will she resume school? You know, Oyek is already at late entry.
I have told you. She would write next year.
What? No, now. See, Amanda is your sister. Whatever be the case, talk to your mother. If you speak to her, she will agree because of the love she has for you, you know.
Neka. Your prognosing is now too much.
Prognosing?
Yes! It's high time you mind your business. In fact, get out of my compound. I don't see you here again. Nah, go! Go, or should I push you? Go!
What's wrong with you?
Amanda.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, I feel very bad for Amanda. It's disheartening. Just because she's an orphan. I really wish I can help her.
Well,
Everything is no longer a surprise to me. Amanda has told I and Mercy everything she has been experiencing in that house. Wait, did you say you'd love to help?
Yes. I really wish I can help Amanda. Honestly.
A contribution has been going on for a few days now. We've raised 40,000. I'm sorry we didn't tell you. It's because of your closeness with Ifeoma.
Contribution? So you people later started contributing money for Amanda?
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice. Amanda, she's such a nice person that anybody would love to help.
That's true. Please let me rush home.
Alright, no problem. I'll pay my own money soon.
No problem.
Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I don't have to give up.
Good morning, Mrs. Michael.
And give it up.
Good morning,
It's a
my
matter of time. I believe
Good morning, my dear. Yeah, here. Yes. How are you doing? I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. She's here for the registration? Yes, ma'am. Right. Yeah. Amanda Oji.
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. You register here. You sign in here. Then you thumbprint.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, your picture. The passport? Yeah, I have one of her passport in my cupboard. Yes, I'll find it now. Hey. Yes, Amanda. I heard what happened. If I may ask, because it is my duty as the school registrar to know the affairs of my students. Yes. What did you do to your auntie that made her to, give you this quantum of wickedness in high places?
I don't know. I can't just explain. I feel that she just hates me. She just hates me from the onset. The other day.
If I'm a no now, this is not the correct answer. Ha! See, biology has its terminologies. You see this womb is a fallopian tube. Yes. Why the eggs are the ovaries? If you apply it this way, if you say it this way, you will get more marks. Don't you know?
Okay, thank you. Please, can you explain this diagram for me?
This particular one? Okay.
I'm not going back to my fears.
This diagram now is the fleshless diagram of a fish, as you can see it here now. See this gill? This gill is for breathing. Why this line here, this lateral line, is for dictating predators. Do you understand now? Okay. That's it.
What is going on? Why are you seated here?
Oh, Mama, she's teaching me.
As what? Cambridge teacher. Have you forgotten you have chores to do? Clothes and the cooking.
I'll rush and do them now.
You will rush. My friend, come on. Go inside. Oh, you are looking at me. You want to beat me?
Who is going to teach me now?
Of all persons. You want her to be teaching you? Look at the level you're giving her. In your own father's house. Very soon she will start controlling you. Use your brain. Look for someone else to teach you. I bought you phone. Good one. Browse. Anything you don't know, browse it. You will see and know it. and not giving her levels. And you, I don't want to wait for you. Bring those clothes and start washing. You have chores to do and you are here teaching her. Cambridge mistress. You are not going anywhere until you listen to me.
Mami Forma.
Get
what is it? Is there any day I do not listen to you? Now what am I listening to? Get even neg. Tell you let me go now.
Go where? You think I'm joking? Ejike.
Mami Forma. Mami Forma.
Papaya.
Gente. These two girls we're talking about, they're both our daughters. Ifeoma and Amanda. And they're both supposed to be treated equally. Gente, you and I are the only family Amanda has. Following the death of her parents. Mami Forma, if Amanda becomes big or something spectacular tomorrow, who will take the glory? You and I.
To your own glory. It is to your own advantage, your own benefit, not mine. She is not my blood. Amanda is not related to me in any way.
Can I close my ears?
If you want.
Can I close my ears and not hear these words?
I'm cutting wool.
Well, no, why you're one now. Can even Madam Melige? Here is a girl that so much wants you to be her mother.
And I do not want to. She is your responsibility, not mine. Hey, about what? And I said no.
She doesn't have another mother.
I said no. It is not by force. The only reason I refuse Amanda to ride Wayek with my daughter is because you complain about money. There is no money. Your business is not going well. Am I lying? Besides, after Wayek, university comes. Who is going to foot the bill? Mama. Or Mo?
Do you know what?
What?
When we get to that river, we cross it.
We are in the river. This journey is river already.
When we get to it, we cross it. Besides, see, that's why husband and wife talk together.
We are talking, Ejike.
We are talking. And whenever we are talking, we use our sense.
I am using my sense. You are not the one using your sense. Because you can't say that my own daughter should step down for Amanda to be graduate over my daughter.
My friend, you are reasoning from your enots.
I am not reasoning from my enots. My daughter cannot stay while someone else's daughter will become graduate in her father's house. Amanda can go and learn trade.
Okay, let's put it.
Very, very easy for her.
Let's put it this way. Let's put it this way. Both of them will go to school. Now, since both of them cannot go immediately, it is only reasonable that we take the one who is more intelligent. She goes. Then the other follows. That means Amanda goes first and the former now follows.
Ejike, I've said this before.
That's what you always tell me.
Imara Kalioka. Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? Amanda should go first. Why Ifeoma follows? In my own house. Your biological daughter. You will listen to me. Ifeoma will take Wayek. Why Amanda will wait? She can go and learn trade. All very easy.
Amanda will not learn trade.
Ifeoma will not drop the scores of Amanda. She will pick and will let developers.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Ifeoma will pick. I agree to that. But let's get this one started first. And
am not listening to you. You are giving me Ifeoma's WAEC money, not Amanda's own. She can only pick when she is going to school constantly, not staying at home or learning trade or dropping from Ghana.
Stop crying. Now you've registered the WAEC. Keep on praying. God is the supreme power. And we'll join hands and pray with her. You can get scholarship to study abroad. Yes. Yes.
She's intelligent, so. Okay. Mrs. Margaret, please, I think we should be on our way before she gets to drop.
Esther, you did well by bringing her here.
Thank you.
You did well.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless
Amanda,
you.
I'll keep praying for you.
Thank you.
Eh? Oh, good girl. Very intelligent. How can women, ladies, be so wicked to treat a human being like shit? Oh.
Nothing lasts forever. Forever. Nothing lasts forever.
Amanda! Amanda, wait.
David.
How are you?
I'm fine, David, and you?
I'm fine. I'm so excited to see you.
Thank you.
Wow. You came to register for your WAEC?
Yes. Are you among the students that contributed money for my WAEC?
Oh yes, I contributed little. It was Mercy, Salome, CJ and others that helped to complete the contribution.
Hi.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Better friends. So.
I'm so grateful. I don't even know how to start thanking you guys.
It's okay. It's okay. At least you can write your WAEC. Hmm?
Thank you. Send my regards to them. Okay? I appreciate. I need to be on my way now. I was on errand when I came here.
Ah, so soon. You should have stayed a little.
No, I need to go.
Just hold me now. Before you go.
I should hold. No problem. Thank you so much.
I don't know. Take care. Bye-bye.
Myself, not how far I go. I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember everything I faced. All the battles and pain. All the fears I've...
Hello, Mama. Did you send Amanda to school?
Why did you ask?
I saw her standing with one boy.
So I told him I was in school. So when I'm gonna come.
Don't leave.
What do you mean? About Wezoku?
Are you serious? No wonder I have been waiting for this girl. Can you imagine someone that I sent to go and buy bread for me? I've always known that that girl is slutty. I don't allow her. Just that I don't allow her. Do not worry. She will come back to meet her doom in this house today. She wants to start her prostitution in my house. Nice information, Informer. Thank you. Just calm down.
No problem. I just said I should tell you. Bye-bye. You'll see in the house.
Calm down. Let her go and come back. I'll wait for the bread. Okay, sulu bread and manota today.
CJ, where is the extra money I asked you to add in your WAEC money? Where is it? Give it to me.
Wait, Papa, wait. Are you, for real, are you asking me the extra money? Papa, I don't have it.
Huh?
I don't have it. Why are you acting this way? Listen, don't you have shame? Papa, don't you have shame? Mama has been taking care of me. She has been fighting tooth and nail to make sure I graduate from school. And you are saying all this nonsense. Tell me, where were you? Mommy was taking care of me. Where were you? Your responsibility as a man, you're not doing it. You're asking me for something. See, Mama is trying for me. Oh. Mama is trying. It's better you just stand up as a man and take care of me.
CJ, are you a fool? Why are you?
I'm not a fool.
You are not a fool.
I'm not a fool.
Now tell me, why are you acting as if you are not the true son of your father? Now listen, these women you are seeing, they have money. It is easier for women. Men have to pay for them to get money. Go and get money for her and give me my own share.
It's thunder that will fire that your mouth for me. Ifreya, in Anuya, thunder will fire you. Why don't you want to work? Mr. Man, what? Why can't you work and make your own money? Go out and work like your fellow men now. Go and work and make your own money. This is the last time you will ever eat my money. You are a shameless man. Go and work. Leave women and drink alone. Yes!
You are talking to me like that. But CJ, you did not tell me that she is coming.
Why would I tell you that she's coming? She's here now.
I don't blame you. You think I don't know this your curriculum movement? Oh, your movement. They are here in my palms. I know everything. Yes, it's men that are giving you money. That is why you left me.
Hey, look at who is talking. See who is talking. Have you forgotten that you left me with this boy when he was very small? You left me and fellow young girls now, and now they have soaked you dry. Hey, Batagonu, you are here for me to be feeding you, to be giving you money. You have failed. Go and follow those your small girls. Even the one that said she was pregnant for you, where is she? Have she given birth? Go and follow them. Inano, go and follow them. Now let's go inside. Don't listen.
CJ, don't worry.
Go inside.
I will come back. I don't have time for
Papa, Shebi, you have seen what cost, Abi. You have seen it.
Don't break that door.
You see what I will do.
If you maybe use
it is your heart that made him to fall. But
I don't blame you. CJ, don't worry. Let me. When I come back, I will let her back like a mad dog. And that is for her. I don't have you people time. No, it's you that I don't have your time. You, Njideka. It's you. CJ, don't worry. Don't follow her footsteps. Oh, she will deceive you. Remember your father.
Where are you returning from? I went to buy the bread, Mama. You don't want to talk.
You went to buy bread? For how many hours? You didn't want Machigo the bread. I'm asking you. Did you go to school?
Yes, Mama. Miss Esther took me there.
Do they sell bread in school? You don't want to talk again? I'm asking you. Apuna. You went to the school to see a man. You've not seen the boy for so long. I don't know.
And you left the bread I sent you to go and buy. Look at what the time is. You are returning from buying the bread. So can what in and daily? Is that?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? No, tell me, what are you sorry for?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'll kill you today. If you want, run from here to Jamaica. You come back to this house.
I am waiting. You will come and cross this road. You will come and cross this door. Or you don't want to get inside again. I'm ready for you. You will not stay in my house and be prostituting. Allah that boy. If you don't cross now, and I get up, I will squeeze life out of you. Come and cross, oh. You want me to get up? Oh yeah, come and cross.
I don't want to chase you. Because if I chase you, I will kill you. I will squeeze you with my bag.
Do you know that because I asked Ifeoma to beg her mom, she took the novel from me and asked me out of their compound?
What am I begging her for? For her to go and steal or what? She said we don't have the money. Should I go against my mom's business.
Nobody said you should go against your mom, Ifeoma.
And who are you to interfere in my family business? See, don't get me angry. If not, I'll beat you blue black.
Calm down.
Ifeoma, what Nneka is trying to say is that you should have been more concerned.
Oh,
please.
Ifeoma, you seem to be okay with her absence. You should be more bothered than we all are.
If it were Amanda, she would have been so restless until you get back to school. But it seems like you're in this with your mother.
Why are you people pretending as if you don't know what is going on? Eh? She's obviously supporting her mother.
Yes. And what is that supposed to mean? Respect yourself, oh. Look at this overgrown baby. I don't even want to insult you.
If you insult me, I will insult you.
Congratulations to us. We have made it. Amanda has finally registered for YA.
Wow, congratulations.
I'm so happy.
Yes, we all are. And thank you to everyone who contributed in one way or the other to make this happen. God will bless you all. On our own,
Be happy.
no go spoil.
Amen.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, see you later.
All right.
Guys,
She finally made it.
She finally made it.
I'm so happy.
Wow, our friend will be writing why.
Babe. Ify.
Nothing lasts forever. Forever. Nothing lasts forever.
CJ, I can't believe you knew about all these contributions and you kept it away from me. I felt like a devil in the midst of angels.
I'm sorry. How can you sound this way? You know I can't do a thing like this to you. You know, right? To be honest, I didn't know about it. They kept it away from me as well. Nobody told me about it, and it's not like I wanted to hide something from you. They said that if I should let you know about it, that you and your mom will stop it. You know I can't do such a thing to you. You know, right?
Are you sure?
Of course I am. I don't want to see you cry or always being sad like this. I'm sorry, my love. Just calm with me. I missed you.
That reminds me. I saw Amanda today in school. I was so happy I saw her, but she was not looking fine. She was looking so tattered and unkempt.
David, I just can't imagine the kind of suffering that girl must be enduring in that house.
Oh.
She's really suffering.
I saw her in school too, with Miss Esther entering the office.
And I'm not even sure they allow her to take her bath before coming to school.
Amanda works from morning till night in that house without rest. Why Ifeoma just sits down and gives command as princess of the house?
Are you serious?
This life.
Are you serious?
Telling you.
And you people are just painting words. That Ifeoma is so wicked. Worse than her mother.
I wonder what CJ sees in that girl.
You know, Ifeoma's mother influenced her a lot. Besides, they said love is blind. Ifeoma and CJ are in love.
What kind of love? What kind of love
Romeo
is that?
and Juliet.
See, let me tell you. That love will get him blind and one day he will fall inside gutter. Let's be going. What kind of love is that? See, I don't even like that girl. She is so funny.
Felix, you see this student? Whenever I mark her paper, her score is always very high.
Who's that?
Look at it.
Chimamanda Oji. I'm looking for one Chiamanda Oji.
Sir, she has been absent for some time now.
Okay. When she resumes, ask her to sing.
Why is he looking for my sister?
Why is he looking for my girlfriend?
He's always like that, don't mind him.
Don't you know before? This guy must be up to something.
I know her. She's very good. I've not met her though. I've been looking for her. I wanted to buy her lunch. She's very good. She's always scoring high. She's very, very good.
She is. She's been absent from school for a while, but we're on it. Everything will be fine in no time.
I don't have to give up.
Oh,
I miss you.
are you sure? I missed you, Mom. I'm glad I made you happy, you know.
Who wouldn't be happy after such a sweet sensation?
Do you want some more?
From here.
Hi, where is my ATM card? Where did I place it? Hi. Hi. I have gone to all the joints I drank. Nowhere. Oh, I think I went to Mama Neka and Mamifi. None of them saw it. So where did I place it? Okay. Huh? What is going on here? CJ? Huh? What is happening? Papa, who is this girl?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. What is good about the afternoon? Who is this girl?
Papa, what are you doing here?
You're asking me what I am doing here. I said, who is this girl? Eh?
She's my classmate. We're studying inside.
Classmate? Is she the only classmate you have? Eh? So you are sent to school, this is what you do in the house. Eh? The money that your mother gives to you, instead of you to share the money with me, you are using it to cut this small smoker. Eh? I'm asking you, are telling me you're your classmate. Is she the only classmate you have?
Okay, now you're embarrassing me.
Yeah, tell me. Your classmate, when you are coming back now, coming out with your singlet. Look at her. She's not even properly dressed. I must know who your father is. Yes. I will know who your father is, so that I will tell him to warn you. I can see that you are the one. You're finishing the money that is meant for his school fees.
Don't be angry, okay?
You are even begging her. Her name is Fifi.
You see what you cost now.
It's okay now.
What are you doing? What is your problem? What is your problem?
You want to fight me?
I don't like it.
And you, don't worry. I must try to know who your father is. Hey, look at this. This girl, she is fine, though. Hey. Don't worry. I must know who your father is.
If not that you are crying for money, supposed to change this my nail polish. Onyeta, come in. Neka.
Good day. Good day.
Yes.
I brought this for Amanda. Miss Esther said I should give it to her. Her WAEC details are in it.
WAEC details?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Mama, because of the love my classmates and I have for Amanda, we all contributed money and purchased WAEC form for her.
Aye. Oh. When good deeds like this come, goose pimples appear. This is good. Aye. Hey. Please, when you get back to the class,
Yes,
when you get back to the class, Tell them that we are very, very grateful. Hi.
Greet them, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Tell them that their father is so happy about it.
Alright, Mama, they will hear.
Hi. It's good to be good. What you people have done for Amanda, the Lord God will do for all of you.
Amen.
Individually.
Amen.
Also tell them that after the WAEC exam, I will somehow reach them to express our gratefulness.
I'll tell them.
Okay,
Thank you. I have to go. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Don't include me in this case. What do you mean we?
Hey.
Was I part of this?
Hey. Hey.
Meg, it's enough. My head is aching.
How can you be having issues with mathematics when you have me around? Mathematics is my best subject.
But every time you run to Amanda to give you some.
That's for other subjects.
Guess what? What? Guess what? What? First it up now. My head is filled up right now. Okay.
Maker, Amanda is in school.
Okay.
Are you serious? Yes, in school. Yes, in school.
SS3 is just the revision class. You just have to read your books, revise, and you'll be fine.
Thank you, sir.
I prefer Felix. Okay? Felix should just be fine. Who do you stay with?
My uncle's wife. She doesn't like me.
Yeah, sir.
I heard you're being maltreated. They are obviously not your parents, right? Look at your parents.
I'm an orphan.
It's fine. Don't worry, everything will be okay? You just need to face your studies, pass your exams with flying colors, and you'll be fine, okay? You would win one day, I promise you.
Amen.
Keep your head up.
Thank you, sir.
And everything will be fine. Alright?
Good morning, sir.
David.
Good morning, David. Amanda, I'll let you go now, okay?
Alright, sir. Sorry. I mean Felix. Thank you so much.
Alright.
And what's he telling you? And why is he asking you not to call him by his name? I hope he's not asking you out.
No!
Are you sure?
Yes, he just asked after me and he encouraged me. That's all.
He asked after you. Okay. He once asked after you in class, and now this. See, I don't know what that guy is up to.
David, enough of this drama, please.
Whatever he is up to, I'll figure it out. But let's go. Others are waiting for you inside. Let's go.
Wait.
What is it?
Have you closed the doors? Please close the windows. I don't want any more embarrassment from your father.
Hey, why do you always bring up my father? I told you my father doesn't live here. He doesn't stay with us.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
Very sure.
Hey, come on, don't you trust me? Let's go.
I pity you. I really pity you. You think you are doing it to me? Huh? You're only showing off money, renting an apartment for our son. Look at you. I will laugh at you people in the German language. Look at it. He is now using the money, using it to be carrying small smokers. Yes!
Okay, if you want to talk, you talk. Don't. Huh? Are you already drunk this morning?
A point of correction. Don't just insult me. I'm telling you that I saw our son in his house the other day with a girl, and you are not telling me rubbish. Be careful. You got to become very careful.
Wait. CJ, my son, with a girl in the room, doing what exactly?
You are asking me. Now listen. It's which of the above? This is Wayek, this is Nico, and here is Jam. You are asking me. No, tell me, what does a boy and a girl do in closed room? Yes, something you already know. When you rented an apartment for him, what do you expect? What do you expect?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
It is exactly what you are thinking. 100 and plus percentage on top what you are thinking. When you are I'm talking to you, don't want to listen. Yeah, you should have given me the money now that you are not here, so that I'll be using the money to take care of him. And now I'm going to get busy. No fear.
This one, you have not said it all.
What is this?
You would have just go straight to the point instead of hiding from here to here to here. You wanted to beg me money as usual. Oh, you want to know? You wanted to beg me money so you can use it and drink. You would have come out clean and let me know.
Okay, I am short of words. I don't blame you. I only blame those useless men that give you money.
Will you blame me? Blame yourself for being a drunkard. Lawrence, blame yourself. Blame yourself. I will touch you. Blame yourself for being a drunkard.
If you touch me again, God will get 2 visitors. Annual. I pity you. I mean it. I am only pitying you. Pity that you follow. I am not going that direction. I am not going that.
Ifeoma! Where is she now? Ifeoma!
I've searched everywhere already. Let's go home.
I know now. I can't go without my sister. I need to find her. Where is she? Where is she now? Did you see Ifeoma? I've searched everywhere. I can't find her. I don't really think she's still in school. Where did she go to now? Who's all this? Ifeoma!
Ifeoma is with CJ. They went out together.
Where? They went to where? Eh? What's this now?
Amanda, what are you guys still doing here?
What's happening?
The school have closed now.
I'm looking for Ifeoma. I can't find her.
Ifeoma?
Yes, please. Just, do you have a time in your phone? Take me and call her.
Did you see CJ?
What's the business with him?
See, let us go. Ifeoma is not a small girl. She will find her way home. Let us go.
Please, call my sister for me.
We have criminal connection.
Ifeoma!
No, you don't call her.
Yes. Let me get it.
Why now? Now. Oh,
Hello, Mercy.
It's not Mercy. It is me, Amanda.
Oh, Amanda.
School has closed. We need to go home. Where are you?
Don't worry about me. I'm with CJ. We went to the library to read. Just go home. I'll meet you at home.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Oh, who was that?
It's Amanda.
Amanda?
Yes. She said she wanted us to go home, but I told her that we went to the library to read.
Yes, you know I love reading. Let's continue where we stop. Of course.
CJ, it's me, your mother.
Mom?
Hmm?
Mom, good afternoon. Come inside now.
No, I don't want to come inside. I was actually going somewhere. I said, let me come and check up on you. What are you doing?
Mom, nothing. I was just studying inside. You know, my WAEC is fast approaching, so I'm trying to get acquainted with my studies.
Okay. That's good.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I am fine. You have to read your book well.
Okay.
Okay? So read your book. Let me go to that. I'm going to.
You sure you don't want to come inside?
No, I don't want.
Mom, I hope all is well.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, now of course. I was passing. I said, let me check on my son. Is he a bad thing?
No, it's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh
yeah, go and read your book.
Okay, ma'am. Alright.
Okay. Don't worry. Anytime you said I'm going to read your book, let me be going. Bye-bye.
Are you sure you're
Yes, I'm okay.
Ephemerals are the ones that have few weeks life cycle.
Okay.
Annuals are the ones with 1 year.
Alright.
Biennials, 2 years.
Yeah.
Perennials, more than 2 years. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, just like that.
Okay.
So remember what I said?
Yes,
Ephemerals, few weeks, like water leaf.
Okay.
Annuals, 1 year.
Alright.
That's why you have maize, rice, yam.
I'm sure.
Oh yeah. I don't have to give up. Give in and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself, that you know how far I go. I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah. I remember everything I faced. All the battles and pain, all the fears I've won, yeah. I'm not going back to my fears. I'm moving on, yeah. I'm moving on, oh. But nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever, yeah. I don't have to give up. Give in and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself, that you know how far I go. I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah. I remember everything I faced. All the battles and pain, all the fears I've won. Yeah. I'm not going back.
WAEC exam starts tomorrow. What will you be needing for the examination?
Papa, we'll be needing money for feeding, transportation, and sorting.
Sorting? What's that?
The small money that we give to invigilators, so they will allow us to write freely.
I don't have that kind of money. We didn't sort during my time. Until we did very well.
True, Papa, but that was then. Now the economy is very, very hard. And teachers, they don't pass people through test of knowledge again. It's through the peanuts you give them, whether in cash or in kind. Do you know that they will even throw away your sheet of paper on purpose, unless you give them something? The economy is now very, very hard. That's where sorting comes in.
Paying in kind.
But we pay in cash. It won't be kind.
I will not do any sorting.
Eh?
Period. Yes.
Nine. You will do something now. You have to do something. Because when I said that one person should drop for the other one to continue, God easy, you leveled me bad. You have to dance to the music you are playing. Go hard. You will provide everything, or one person will drop.
I will not sort. Something is needed. It's not important.
Huh. For this economy, in this, please, sort everything sortable. Hey, what do we cook? We need 2 soups.
Mama,
are you ready?
Yes,
okay.
I'll go wash it. You can be dressed already. Yeah, just wait for me later. I don't know.
Talking about. I forgot to tell you to mop the floor. It's very dusty.
Okay,
so
Mama.
please go inside, get bucket and mop. Don't see, so you know you are fast. Come and fetch water and then mop. Open your bag. That one for your sorting today. Make sure you sort very well. You are going to pass all your papers. It's a must. Yes.
Thank you, Mama. Amanda! Hurry! CJ is outside though. Let me go and join him. I will join you soon. Okay.
Come. Make sure no one sees the money, even your father, so that he won't say I am partial.
Bye-bye.
What are we still waiting for now? Let's be going. It's
Amanda.
30 minutes to the exam.
It's Amanda. She's taking a shower.
Let her
Amanda! Amanda! Mama.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my son. What are you two waiting for?
We are waiting for Amanda.
Amanda.
You're not serious. You're waiting for someone who has not taken her bath. Why? Please start going, or do you want the vigilator to chase you out of the hall?
Okay, Mama. CJ, let's
go. Now. You know she's lazy. Please go. She will come later, oh? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
What is sauce? I forgot to buy milk and sugar. I want to take custard. I want to take custard. Baba, to Mama Nkechi's shop, go and get it. I know you are fast. So please, rush, so that you don't go late. Oh, I need the gallant. Boppy also.
Your life, go on and do what you can rule it. It's your world, it's your life. Make it the life you want to live. Make it the life you want to live. Nobody else said life is easier. Oh yeah. Nobody ever said life is smoother.
How may I help you?
I'm here for the exam, ma.
You're here for the exam. 20 minutes to the exam, you're just coming in. How will you cope?
She will try, please. Let her write, please.
Okay.
Go before the possible. It's better to end it than start another. Go before the possible. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. your world, it's your life. Make it the life you want to live. Make it the life you want to live. Nobody ever said life is smooth and fair. Oh no, 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 no.
And where are you going to? Mango.
You're done?
Yes, sir.
You're done. Wow. Impressive. What's that your name?
Chimamanda Ojima.
Chimamanda. I must confess, you're so intelligent. And you will go far.
Thank you.
Right. You can go.
You don't have much time.
Yeah, yeah. I don't have to give up. Giving and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself.
Hey, listen, how far? How did it go? It went well, oh. That's my. When my bestie is a genius, what then would I do? I don't know. What happened? I came late today. It is because of my auntie. I knew this would happen. But you know what, my friend? You really need to be strong, okay? Just be strong. Strong.
What is the answer to this question, sis?
Sis,
Just check it.
Beefy
of ladies.
Cut it!
Cut it.
See, we are all going to pass our way. We'll come out flying.
Oh, you're going to pass.
Whenever I find myself, not how far I go. I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah, yeah.
What's the chemical formula for benzene? Sis. My sister.
Who's making that noise? Amanda, what are you still doing?
So I'm still writing.
Let me see. But you're done. What are you still doing? Just give me a reflection too. Leave here. If I hear any other noise, I'll collect your paper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I wanted to make for Rao. Those are these companions.
Go ahead now.
It's not for me. So that's why I made.
Ha.
Ha 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 ha! Agaracha! You are back already.
Yes, Mama.
How was the exam?
Papa, it went well.
Oh, good. Did you write well?
Yes, Papa.
From all indication, you know that she did not write well. Did you give her sorting money?
Sorting for what?
Illegal sorting.
For what?
Eh? Did you finish writing?
Yes, Mama.
Let me see your question.
I answered 5 questions. Complete. 5.
You answered 5 questions?
Yes, Mama.
Out of 8?
Yes.
Which and which one?
Number
Okay, let
5.
me ask you one question. What is atom?
Agony.
Mama, atom can be defined as the smallest indivisible element.
Okay, let me jump. Okay. What is Charlie's law?
Charles law.
Eh?
Charles law, not Charlie.
Mama, Charles' law states that the volume of a given gas is directly proportional to its temperature, provided that the pressure is constant.
No children the sharp. You are intelligent. Not sharp. Please take. For your mind now, you are sharp. Now and change. Change to normal clothes now so that you grind beans.
Okay, Mama.
Eh? I want to make moi. At least I know how to cook. Welcome. Where is the former?
Mama, Ifeoma was still in the exam hall writing when I left.
Eh? Ifeoma was still writing.
Yes,
and you left. My friend, go and change beans. Cambridge. She was still writing. Then you left. Then
Easy.
Easy about what?
You
can't even correct me after she must have left. In front of that small girl, you are telling me about Charles La. About Charles La. Oh, Charles La. Charlie and the Charles, are they not the same thing? It depends on how you want to pronounce it.
Wait now. What's up? Ify, come, let's go home. I miss you.
No, I'm not in a good mood. I only answered 1 out of 7 questions. My sister Amanda, who was supposed to help me, was asked out of class. I just sorted the teacher. I hope she helps me with the remaining 2.
Hey, come here. I'm sorry. I can feel your pain. You know, I don't like seeing you wallowing in distress all alone. I'm here for you, alright? So let's go home. At least I'll put a smile on your face again. Just put a smile.
Okay. Just because you asked nicely.
I can always be nice to my woman. Let's go home.
What's up?
What's up?
Very good. You're in a hurry. I've just started entering the hall.
Yes, you should hurry.
Are you
before they start
serious?
writing. Yeah, go.
We have.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Go.
Hurry.
Look at them.
Is there no way we can change Amanda's results so that yours can be better off?
Mama, I don't think there is anything we can do. I would have suggested the teachers, but they all love Amanda. And you would not want to implicate yourself.
Hi. Oh. This girl will disgrace me. Eh? If I don't do something, this girl a woman and I want to I hope all the certain money I'm giving you, you are utilizing it very well because I want your result to be better off. You know how much I've been giving you? 2,000, 4,000 every day. Make sure your result is better than Amanda's own.
Mama, don't worry. It will come out very well. I paid all of them. So don't worry. Which is enough.
And I don't know why you should not be intelligent more than Amanda. You have all the time to read. Your own is to eat and to sleep. You don't even wash your pant or bra. She does everything. Are you not supposed to be more intelligent than her? You're supposed to be more brilliant. Get it, get the milice born up you bugly.
Me and Amanda, we are not the same. We are not the same. Have you forgotten? She has read SS3 before her father died. And she's even older than me.
You are right. Ako Chekobu. Archive. SS3 archive. But let me tell you, education is not marked by age. It is by sense. By dedication. Which I know that you are not doing very well. Sleep with education, like all bad brain. What is your problem? I think the beans has done or whatever. Go and eat. If you eat, you sleep so that your brain will calm down. Hi. The same question paper she came back with and now addresses on Aza. Why call him yati yati? What nonsense is this? Ah.
Okay, check your work. Check your name, spellings. You have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes to go. Check for corrections. Write your exam number and full name. 5 more minutes to go.
Yes.
Hey! Ami!
I know his house. I know his house.
You know his house?
I know his house. Let's go there.
Hey! Take me to his house.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Hey!
Amanda,
somebody did this to my daughter.
Yes.
Oh! Mbamba, Kebe Felix, one is Rosimo. Hey! One of Felix gets a good of good trouser. Hey!
Madam, honestly, I don't know how this happened. I don't know.
Liar! Liar from the pit of hell. You think I don't know you intentionally did this to her? Because you asked her out and she refused. And then you decided to blind her.
Baby, what are you talking about?
Oh, my friend, can't stand there.
You heard me. You think I don't know? You think I don't know about all your escapades? Listen, you better get her eyes back to normal. Nonsense.
Oh, Consime. It was a planned deal. You intentionally did this, right?
Madam, please don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he's talking
Of course
about.
I know what he is talking about.
Yes! Now listen, let me tell you one thing. You see, the Oji family, they don't like me. And this, I do not want to add it to my record.
Madam, please.
If you know how you get her blind, fix it.
Period.
Fix it back before I return, else you'll be resting behind that.
Okay, Makatonda, zero. Eh?
Madam, please calm down. I'll do something about it.
You will do something. Very good. While you are trying to do something about it, she will be staying with you. You'll be taking her to the hospital, catering for everything she needs. That is it.
Let not happen to her. And by the time I am back, make sure that her 2 eyes are good.
Inokasiku, Obampe, Ebampe.
Let us go. Amanda, if you give it to you, what to do? So stay here until you get well. Type on. Ifeoma, oh yeah, let us go. Everybody.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I don't have to give up, give in and give it all.
Mama, you can act too. Hey! See the way you did. At some point, I became jealous.
You don't have to. I saw your classmates' faces. I needed to surprise them. Inside me. This is the best news I've ever heard in a long while. Let me see how she'll be better than you with one eye.
Better than who? With her Madam One Eye.
You know Amanda is into men. Now that this has happened, she has freedom to gallivant. And that copper, Mr. Copper, very soon, he will get her pregnant.
Madam, Mama, it's true.
Hey, Papi Fama.
Good evening, Papa. Welcome.
Yes.
Papi Fama, you're welcome.
I not taco. We made coconut rice. The remaining, I think I want China.
Where is Amanda?
Amanda, Amanda.
Please, with what I've been saying, this girl is permanently blind.
I honestly just hope that's not the case. Because I won't be able to forgive myself. And that woman I saw today, she can jail me.
For what? It is not as if it was intentional. My only fear is that they might ask you to marry Amanda.
That's not my problem right now.
It should be your problem. Let it be your problem.
How would I face my father? What would I tell my father?
Leave your father out of this. Take her to the hospital. Afterwards, send her back to her parents. That is what you should do. Please. I have to go. This whole thing is affecting my mental state. I don't even know the way I feel right now. I'll talk to you later. Okay?
Okay.
Don't get yourself worked up, okay?
Stop seeing that. It's not time for this, please.
I'm going to teach that teacher. I'm going to show him a lesson of his life. Of all people to tinker with is Amanda. Mba. Oh, my mistake.
Should it have been Ifoma? No, me. And I. I'm asking. Listen. What has happened has happened. My own take in it is that Amanda will stay with him until she gets better. So he is going to treat and cater for Amanda. I don't know what you're talking about, of all persons, of all, whether low person or high person. The deed has been done. My own is that she is going to stay there until she gets better. So that copper will take care of her and treat her eyes. That is my own. There is no of all people or low people inside it. Oha!
Doctor! Who is here? Mr. Felix!
Who's that? Ifoma, how are you?
Good morning, Mr. Felix.
Good morning, how are you? You came to see Amanda?
Yes, I brought her clothes.
She's fast as you. Should I wait her?
No, not at all. Just give it to her when she reaches.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Eh?
Okay. Bye-bye. My regards to her.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Felix.
Good morning, how are you?
So I'm not fine.
Wait, sorry. Sorry, how was your night?
My night was not good at all. I had severe headache throughout the night.
I'm so sorry. So sorry. I think we need to get more pain relief. Don't worry, I'll make calls, so I can get money. You need to go to the hospital, honestly.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Sir, that reminds me. I heard a voice like my sister's voice, Ifoma.
Oh yeah, Ifoma. She was here. She brought your clothes. So, Amanda.
Sir.
Do they want you to stay here? I don't understand.
Sir, please. I want to stay here. I beg you in the name of God. It is better I stay here with one eye than to be in that house with my complete eyes. I know you have a girlfriend and she will not agree, but I will beg her. I will talk to her.
See, the thing is what the society would say, honestly. And I don't have a girlfriend. Yes,
You don't have a girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend.
Really?
Yeah.
But I thought Miss Esther is your girlfriend.
Miss Esther? Well, we're just friends.
Anyways, I don't care what the society will say. I don't care anything. I don't want to know. All I want is my peace of mind. Please, I beg you, let me stay here.
Okay, it's fine. You can stay. I just want you to be better.
I don't have to give up. Giving and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again.
Ifoma, are you okay?
No, Mama.
What is wrong with you?
I'm not feeling fine. I've been feeling dizzy and nauseous and feverish since yesterday.
Oh, it could be too much reading. This reading is brain now. Or typhoid and malaria. I'm sorry, my dear. Have you eaten? Please go and eat and lie down. Make sure you don't read today. Relax your brain. Relax your brain. Oh, don't read today. I will get medication if I'm coming back. Sorry. Lie down, oh. Just eat and lie down. You know go? Oh, Eva. Let me go for the meeting. I'm coming home.
Your mother said something about you not feeling fine. Hope you're better now.
Neka, my friend. I'm not so. Every morning I feel dizzy. I vomit.
What?
And then I have this slight fever. I'm tired.
You serious? It could be malaria. Or probably stress from Amanda's absence. Hope you've been taking drugs.
Not yet. But my mother will get me drugs on her way back from CWO meeting.
Oh, okay. That will be fine. But you can also go for tests. You know, many sicknesses have same symptoms. A doctor will know better.
Alright,
sorry.
I'll do just that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay?
Alright, no,
Alright,
bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
I know. I'll be fine. I think I'm okay.
Why? You don't like the food?
No, the food is nice. You need to eat too.
Don't worry about me. I'm fine. Besides, you're on medication. You need it more.
If you insist.
I went to see my parents today. Told them about you.
About me? Why did you tell them about me?
Nothing. They just gave me money for your medication.
Stop this. I'm so sorry for everything. I'm so sorry for putting you through this stress. If we weren't doing exam malpractice in the exam hall, this wouldn't have happened. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Okay? It's
I
fine.
need water.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Nobody ever said life is smooth and fair. Oh no 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 no. The lies before me are tiny matters that lay with me. It's better to end it and start another than hoping for the impossible.
Hey, babe. Sorry I kept you waiting. Watch out.
Babe, what's going on? I noticed you've been moody since you came around.
I don't know. CJ.
Yeah.
There is something I need to tell you.
Of course, you're free to tell me anything. Just say it.
I'm pregnant.
What? You're what? You're pregnant. I'm sorry. I'm happy. I'm happy that you're pregnant. You see, but I think this is not the right time for you to get pregnant. Yes, because I'm not ready to father a child now. And you getting pregnant will actually ruin your reputation. We're too young. So I think we need to do something. You just have to get rid of it.
CJ, how would you be saying something like that? What if something happens to me?
Nothing is going to happen to you. Hey, listen. I am going to be there for you. Alright? We will do it together. I won't let you carry the burden all alone. Alright? Hey, come here. Don't be scared. Is that why you're moody? At least I should be proud of myself that I can get a girl pregnant. You know, but we're not ready. So come inside, let's do one more. You're in my house now, just once. Let's just do this one, come.
What is wrong with this? Huh? The other day she was vomiting. Now she is sleeping. Maybe sleeping in the afternoon. Huh? Ifeoma. Oginede.
Papa.
Mama. Mama. Ngwa. Papa amozo. Papa kwa mozo. Ifeoma. Let it not be what I am thinking of. Ifeoma. The other day I was coming out. Was it not somewhere there? No, there. I saw you vomiting. Mba, akwa aburo gi. Biko nya abukwana gi. Nya abukwana gi. Mana onye m furu ebe a na enwu toto. Yie gi. Raka gi. Maya, let it not be you. Now this afternoon, you are sleeping in broad daylight. Akwa aburo gi na alarola. Aburo gi na alarola eziokwu. Ifeoma nya abukwana gi. May it not be you vomiting. May it not be you sleeping in broad daylight. Ifeoma, I hope it is not what I am thinking. Yeah. Mommy, Ifeoma. Mommy, Ifeoma. Check your daughter. The other day I saw her vomiting. Now she is sleeping in broad daylight. Come here. Come here.
Ifeoma.
Mama.
What is it?
Nothing.
Why are you sleeping at will? Are you alright? Are you sure you are alright?
Yes, Mama.
Ifeoma.
Mama.
Are you pregnant?
Mama pregnant.
Do you know I'm the one asking you?
I'm not pregnant. It's malaria.
Malaria? Malaria na chaga say like this. My friend, talk to me. Are you pregnant? You don't want to talk?
Mama, I'm not pregnant.
Do you want me to kill you before you say the truth? I am asking you.
I will talk. It's CJ, Mama. It's CJ that got me pregnant.
CJ?
Yes, Mama.
What is CJ? Honestly, what What do you mean by CJ? Don't you want to talk? I'm asking you. Who got you pregnant? You don't want to say who got you pregnant.
Mama, oh, CJ is my classmate. He's my classmate.
Hey! No, I'm not Tamo. Ifoma. 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 I'm asking you. You want to talk?
Yes, Mama. He's my classmate too, Mama.
No, because you know, Mama.
How can somebody inflict such bodily harm on another? Nagini Mel. Eh? What could have happened? No. Where is that teacher? I need to see that teacher. Get it on Akuzide.
Calm down.
What is he teaching? Somebody brings him here, I will give him 20 strokes of the cane.
Calm down.
Teaching and going to teach your eye or what? Eh? I need to handle him.
Papa, calm down, it's okay, eh?
And then he goes to your eye, causing bodily harm.
Papa, not intentional.
It's not intentional, but what? So sorry.
He's not around, Papa. He went to work.
Look, he doesn't harass you.
No. He doesn't, and he won't. He's a nice person. He takes good care of me. As a matter of fact, I spoke to his parents this morning.
Yeah. Olugonke speaking with the parents too. Huh? I had an emergency, so I had to go out and ask your mother to come, you know. But you know her now. Oh. See, now I'm here. Go in there. Pack your things. Let's go home.
Papa, no. I don't want to go home.
Why now? Why can't you follow me home? I'm here.
Papa, I understand. Eh? I don't want to go home. I'm going through so much pain already. If I go home, they won't allow me to rest. And I need rest, Papa. Please, allow me to stay here.
Yes, you need rest. How, Mom? She had to bring you here. Oh, I wish I'm seeing that teacher here. Things would have been different.
Don't worry, I'll
Wait,
be fine.
Does he give you food?
Yes, Papa.
You eat very well?
Yes. I will be fine.
You take your bath in a separate place, right?
Yes, Papa.
Huh?
Mm.
You okay?
Yes, Papa, I'm fine. I'm perfectly okay.
I don't know what's happening again. It's another man's house.
You can understand.
All right. Let me be going. I will certainly come back because there are things that we need to talk about. Let me take this one that is Nklenka.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Oh, don't worry about me. I'm okay. Hmm?
Do you have a bed where you sleep alone?
I'm fine.
Fine. Look. Okay. Nobody should disturb you while you're sleeping. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Have you eaten now?
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
But take care of yourself.
I don't have to give up, give in and give it all.
Bye
It's a
bye.
matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself doubting how far I go, I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember everything I faced, all the battles and pain, all the fears I've won. Yeah, yeah. I'm not going back to my fears. I'm moving on. Yeah, yeah. I'm moving on. Oh, oh.
Okay. Oga, kedu onye nọ n'ụlọ? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Odigibasa, good morning. Please open the door. We want to see you. Keep your greetings, please. I just need an answer to my question. Who is responsible for my daughter's pregnancy, Former? I'm asking you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. You do not know what I'm talking about. What's not forgive CJ? In SA, where's again, where's a loan that Nanganam? Eh? Open this door.
My mother is not around.
Your mother is not around. She went out. She went for Mugo. Was your mother around when you dwelled?
It was just once.
It was
just once
It's
now.
no
It's just
one.
once.
Oh, it is no one.
He's one.
Chalo. Are you going crazy? Oh, you just did once. Ofundo, and you adored, and he pured, and you pure bad. Eh? You didn't know that once you may feel, once you knew it bad. She has told me everything. And you are still lying. You don't know who you are dealing with. Dress of Mofuma from Monica. Munye GK. Made you back at this door. Open the door. Open it. You know, your mother is not around. Look at yourself. Of all the boys, of all the men in this world, you chose this Chingon boy to open your savannah, and now he is denying you, telling you that he just did once. Not doggy once. If someone just once, you are a man, not doggy. You allowed him to open, and do it. And he come, and he entered. You don't know who you're dealing with. You don't know who you're dealing with. Don't worry, I'll be back. Oh, in a small came out. I will come back. Now let them away. I'm a chauvinistic human being. And who can be a see what you did. Chingon boy, open this gate to talk.
What kind of nonsense is this now? Huh? Why would she tell her mom that I got her pregnant? It's not just wrong.
Hope you're enjoying it.
Very nice. You can cook.
I learned it from my mom.
Really?
Of course.
You're enjoying it.
Salome.
Good afternoon, Mr. Felix.
Good afternoon. How are you? You came to see us.
Yes, I came to see my son. Good afternoon.
You are eating with your hand now.
Yes, Mr. Felix, I'm getting better.
Hey, that's fine. Salome, you brought food for us?
No. She cooked.
She cooked?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Where did you get money from?
Mr. Felix, my father came. He gave me some money. He said he'll come back later.
Listen, Amanda. My name is Felix. Okay? Just call me Felix. Alright?
I'll try.
The aroma of this food is tantalizing. I'm very hungry. If you guys have something. It's more. Thank you. You guys have fun, eh?
I'll get yours for you.
Alright.
This man really loves you. Salome. Sorry, no. Please. Which one is wrong?
It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself.
Nai, what do we do? What do we do about Informer?
You and who?
Hey, this shame is too much. Eh? I can't be able to show my face at the market, not to talk of attending meeting. How do I cover this amount of shame? Before we need to do something big.
Nefoma. Ife ọjọọ ka m na-achị ọchị. Ọchaji ana m. Every day, every day. Leave the girl alone. Leave Amanda alone. Not you. You beat Amanda. You beat her right. You beat her left. What did the poor girl do? Absolutely nothing. Amanda will be the first person that will wake up here in the morning. If Amma will be sleeping. You will not see the person that is sleeping. The person you will see is the person that is moving about, doing chores. From cock crow till Chejia, she'll be moving around. And yet you'll be chasing her. You won't let her rest.
Are we talking about them?
Don't go there. Don't go there. Oh, if a man, something has happened. So it has opened up what we're supposed to be discussing. What you did to Amanda is what is coming to you through Informer. You were busy. You left off your own daughter. Your own daughter you should train. Your own daughter that you should restrain from excesses. You left her. Ochaja! Ochaja! I don't know what you will do.
We have to do something about it. We need to. We cannot allow my only daughter give birth at home. We have to do something. The shame will be too much. We have to do something.
You're right. Hey. Because pregnancy, no one ever hides pregnancy. The shame will be too much. But let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. And let me say this now. Informer will carry that pregnancy to the logical conclusion.
Eh?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I cannot do this.
There is no abo. Don't even say abo. Don't even mention abo before you push Sean.
She won't be the first to do it now. We need to do something, Nanyo. We need to do something. I cannot leave my only daughter to give birth at home.
We will do something. We will do something. Good. That something we will do will be to help her carry her baby.
Hey!
Hey! Can you cover pregnancy? Can you cover pregnancy? No, you cannot cover pregnancy. And she will put to bed here in my house, not in another man's house. After all, I don't even have too many of them. Hey!
Hey, hold it there. Save your greetings for your ancestors. What are you still doing here? Oh, I can see. You are so eager to live with a man. Are you the only one that was flogged? Why is your own case different?
My sister, I only greeted you. Did I do something wrong?
Please. What is that? Look at the tiny devil I was only being nice to. What is this? No wonder they say do not feed a snake, else you will be energizing them to bite you. Look at this thing. Anyway, if I meet you here next time, I will ensure I blind the remaining eye. Nonsense.
Please, sorry. Let me go in and inform him that you are here.
Hey! Hey! Madam of the house. Look at this tiny thing I was being nice to. Block my way one more time and you'll see what I'll do to you.
What is it? What is it? What's your problem? What exactly is your problem?
My problem?
Yes. I heard everything you've been saying since. She only greeted you and you started raining insults on her. What is your problem, Esther? Tell me. Huh?
Felix, don't tell me you're already taking sides.
Yes, I'm taking sides. What is your problem? What did she do to you for you to start raining insults on her? Everything is not about jealousy. Have you for once called me ever since she's been here? Do you know if anything goes wrong with her, I'll be going to jail? Do you know? What is your problem?
I am the one with the problem, right?
Obviously.
I am the one with the problem.
I'm not even your boyfriend and you're doing all this. What is wrong with you?
Look at this fool I was only trying to manage. Look at him.
Me, fool.
I do not blame you. I only blame myself for stooping so low for a low life like you. Idiot, nonsense. Hey, look at them. Fuck you.
Esther, listen. Don't ever come here again.
Look at them.
Me low life, eh? Me low life. When you were forcing yourself on me, you did not know. Let me see you here again.
It's okay. I don't think that is Miss Esther we know.
Let me see you here again.
It's okay. What's going on? This is no hard. Like,
Let's go inside. Don't mind that. Don't mind. Just hey. Let's go inside.
What has happened has happened. Another Apache. The only thing that we do not know, in fact, no one ever knows what to do when it happens, is death. Because when someone dies, you cannot go and wake the person up. But every other thing has a solution. So this present problem, it has a solution. Yes. And the solution is what I'm trying to prefer now.
Which is?
We are going to bring Amanda back to the house to help Ifeoma out because she is constrained by this pregnancy. Amanda will help her manage the pregnancy. Okay?
What do you mean bringing Amanda back? As what? Ifeoma's destiny helper. To come and do what? So that she will spread the news that Ifeoma is pregnant. Is that? Please, let her stay where she is. We don't need her.
This woman.
This man.
This woman.
This man.
Kediviji wolo de mada. Onye na-agụ ibi ọ na-eto afọ.
Kanto. In fact, I have decided that Ifeoma is moving to my sister's house. She will stay there until she puts to bed. Yes, I will take over the house chores. Leave it to me. Send me on anything I will deliver. But Amanda, let her stay there because
Oh, Biko.
Mm.
Biko.
Mm.
Otu a isi kwenye. Otu a ka ọ ga-adị.
Amen.
You will send the former to your sister.
Simple.
Good. She will go there, deliver the baby, then they will seal her up again. So that no... Why are you looking at me? They will seal her up completely so that when she enters here, no one will ever know that she ever gave birth to a baby. Even milking the baby. Mba. You know that go? So when she comes back, her breast will still stay up.
Of course, her breast will still stand because I will not allow her to breastfeed the baby. I will provide the milk.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Hey! You want her to destroy herself completely? She has life ahead of her to live now. Eh? As only you cook obanya kobazia ibon akia.
They don't know they do ganye bataleva. Eh? Nju bossy, oh if I know there.
We are not suffering for anything. We are just lacking understanding. It has happened. All youthful exuberance. We are not talking the same thing online.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I am not contesting whatever you have said.
Better.
Do it the way you have said it. In the meantime, however, I will take Ifeoma to CJ as her father so that I will eyeball CJ. Eh? Kamalo Ivobo. Kamalo Ivobo di bao de agua.
Should have done this earlier before now. Because if you had done it, it won't linger to this extent.
Yeah! There is nothing I do you will ever see goodness
because
or whatever I
you are not
need.
doing what you're supposed to be doing at the right time.
CG, my guy, I'm not a supporter of peace at all. You know the spiritual implication of what you have done.
What are you saying? Huh? The way it is right now, I'm confused. I don't even know what to do. See, I'm having this double mind that pregnancy, I'm not the one responsible for it. Because I know Ifeoma might have other men.
Oh, no. Far from that. See, it's very certain that I don't like Ifeoma. But come on, you're my friend. And I have to tell you the truth. See, for the past few months, everyone has been seeing you with Ifeoma.
Exactly.
So it's very, very hard for you to deny the pregnancy, that you're not responsible. No, you can't.
It's not like I'm denying it. I know you're right, but the thing is that I have other problems that is bothering me. I need to go to school. I need to further my education. And besides, I don't have money to own up to my responsibilities. Get all these pampers and everything. The economy of this country, how am I supposed to be doing all those things? This pregnancy of a thing now will be a hindrance to me. That's why I'm trying to run away, bro. It's not like I don't know what is going on. Well,
CJ, we all know that you love Ifeoma. But I also know you don't have money to father a child. Nigerian.
CJ, I understand you perfectly well. I know you don't have money. Ego pampas etinyege ego. Pampas etinyege ego. But come to think of it, you need to man up. Yes, you need to stand up and face your fear. Look, things might be rough right now, but believe me, in the nearest future, you will enjoy it. So you don't have to deny it, huh?
CJ, David is right. David is correct. Many people have run away from their responsibilities and later suffered. You don't know, you might end up not having a child in the nearest future.
God forbid.
That is it. See, you have to stand up for yourself. Nobody will do it for you.
It's fine, I've heard what you said, but I'll put it into consideration. I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
No problem.
Wow.
I'll accept the pregnancy.
Wow, but you guy, my guy, you be sharpshooter, sha?
Don't mind this guy.
One shot.
Why they talk
One shot.
You,
Don't worry.
the God that did this for me will do it for you.
One shot.
Nah, I heard what you said. The truth is that I and Ifeoma, we've been seeing each other for a long time now. I am the one responsible of her pregnancy. The truth is that it wasn't intentional for me to get her pregnant. But as the way it is right now, what has happened, and I will not deny it. I am begging for you to give me a little time to discuss with my family. I believe they will come to see you and I. You know, I'm still very young, I need to further my education. But I'll definitely do the needful.
Milie Jumanya. I've heard you, my son. You have not said anything bad. My intention was to come and see you face to face. Listen to you and get the drift of your talk. Now that I have heard you, it is well. It is well. You have owned up that you knew this, my child. Even maybe. I get dozy. Yes. We will keep talking. What has happened cannot be taken back. You have claimed full responsibility. We will keep talking. Let me go for now. Go.
Nobody ever said life is smooth and fair. Oh no. The lies before me are tiny matters that live with me.
Papa, the problem is that she's pregnant.
I suppose what? Huh? So that means it has been long. Good, good, and happy. Yeah. But now, tell me, what do you want me to do? Because you know, I don't have any money on me now.
Papa, money is not even the issue right now.
What is the issue? Money is not the issue right now. What then is the issue?
I want to marry Ifeoma.
Marry, you say? Marriage, indeed. It is easier said than done. But I will not discourage you. You have to marry her. You will marry her. But you have to let your mother know first, because money is involved and you know I don't have money. Then later I will refer you to a friend that have a bakery. And then at least you will be getting bread and water to eat if there is no tea. Because I'm Nigerian marry go.
Papa, I've heard what you said. I will discuss with my mother.
That's it. Better. Do that at time. It's teaching time saves man. Mouse is okay, you know. Then later I do what I can do.
After everything, after all my warnings, after everything I told you, you promised me not to follow in your father's footsteps. CJ, why? Why have you decided to bring shame for me?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I know I disappointed you. Please forgive me. It wasn't intentional.
I want to believe this is a youthful exuberance. But it's okay. You said you want to marry her. Is it in this house that I rent for Wayek? Or to come and stay in my family house? Or is it your father's house that he could not be able to finish? Which one? Is it the type of life you want for yourself?
Mama, I don't want to end up like my father. Neither do I wish to end up like him. The thing is that I have to marry her. I like Ifeoma a lot.
And I wish to spend the rest of my life with her. Please, Mama. Help me.
Okay. Of course you will marry her. But do you even know what marriage is all about? Or you think marriage is friendship or sugar and honey?
Mama, in as much as I am young and I don't know what marriage is all about, but I'm lucky to have you by my side. Mama, I must marry Ifoma. I want my child to have a name. I want my child to bear my name. Please. All I need is your consent. I promise to take care of my child.
It's okay. We will marry her. Hmm? You just have to give me some time. Let me plan and know what else to do.
It's okay, Mom. Thank you very much.
I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself.
You know I've proposed to Amanda, but I think she's double-minded about it. Please help me talk to her, please.
Okay, I'll talk to her. But I want you to understand that marriage is a very big responsibility. It can tremble someone, and you know she's still very young.
I understand she's very young, but I'm in love with Amanda. She has occupied my thoughts, my thinking. I can't do anything without thinking about her. Please, everything I do is all about Amanda. I want to take care of her. I love Amanda so much. Can you believe when she came to my house, she had nothing. But because of the love I have for her, I had to get her everything she needs. And that's my intentions for her. I want her to be okay. I love Amanda so much. Help me talk to her. Help me beg her, please. Look, I am okay. My parents are okay. I am Felix Obiako, the only son of the multi-billionaire Jackson Felix Obiako. Please, beg Amanda for me. I'll take care of her. I'll make her the envy of all. I'll give her anything she wants. Please, just help me talk to her.
I'll talk to her. Thank you so much, Mr. Felix. Thank you so much. Amanda deserves all the good things of this life. She has really suffered. Thank you so much.
Please, can we just go?
Yes, we can.
Thank you so much.
I don't have to give up. Giving and give it all. It's a matter of time. I believe all will be fine again. Whenever I find myself doubting how far I go, I remember how far I've gone. Oh, yeah. I remember everything I faced.
Who's here?
It's locked. Hey. That place is locked.
Onyanuya, who is here? Madam Okuya. Onyanuya.
Good afternoon, Papa. CJ isn't around. He packed his things and left.
Huh? And left?
Yes.
He packed?
Yes.
Since when?
1 month ago.
Is he coming back?
I don't know, but he packed things and left since 1 month ago. Any problem?
Problem makwa. Oh makwa na bayali. Hey! Oh no.
I want to go and buy something outside before I head you knocking, so I say let me come and attend to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Go to Ego.
Una?
Oh. Come on, dinner. Let me follow you. Let me join you.
But Nani, what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Are we going to stand here and talk about what next to do? Let us go home.
Let us go home.
Yes.
Hey! And do what?
You want to sit here or lie down here? Go ahead. Let me join you.
Hey! Go home.
Una.
Evie. Tell me, how is pregnancy life treating you?
My dear, it's not easy. Or easy. The past 2 months have been war. Can you believe I've been pregnant even during the exam?
Are you serious? You're really lucky it didn't stop you from writing exams. That reminds me, where's Mama and Papa?
They went to look for CJ. Nobody has seen him for the past 1 month.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Once you give birth now, you'll be happy you kept this child. You get? No problems. Gone are the days when women cover pregnancy. Meanwhile, how is Amanda?
Oh, she's with Felix. My mom does not want her to know I'm pregnant.
Amanda! Oh my God!
Amanda! Your eyes are okay now.
Yes.
And you're so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank God.
You're welcome.
Look at you guys.
Sir. Mercy.
You guys are all so beautiful. You're not even looking bad at all. Even you, Forman, you get so much weight. What are you eating?
She's eating all the food in this house alone.
Hey, God.
Please sit down. Thank you.
Please, Mama.
They went out, but they'll be back soon.
Oh, you wait for them, okay? They will sit down.
Amanda, please can I see you for 10 minutes?
Sure, why not? Let's go. I'm coming. Yes.
Okay, please sit while we wait for them.
Thank you.
Enjoy you.
Okay.
Thank you. Girl, you're fine. You're not looking bad.
Oh, ma. You're shining. Just look at you.
Amanda, I'm pregnant. Mama asked me not to tell you.
Chineke me. Ifeoma. You are pregnant. How? And who is responsible?
CJ is responsible, but he's nowhere to be found for a month now. I'm so bitter.
Ifeoma, it's okay. It's okay. We will do something about it, okay?
I have one more thing to ask of you, Amanda. I'm sorry for all the pain I am.
Stop.
I'm so sorry.
Stop. It's okay. It's okay. I have nothing against you, but Mama, okay? I have forgiven you both long ago. Eh? Especially now that God is smiling at me. It's fine. Don't cry, okay? I don't like this. I'm so
sorry.
It's okay.
Ifeoma, your parents are back.
Okay, let's go.
I'm moving on, yeah. I'm moving on, oh. Nothing lasts forever.
Hey, Papa.
Chimamanda.
Amanda, you are indeed ravishing.
Thank you, Papa.
Obviously, Felix has been taking care of you.
Yes, Papa.
That's good. Dubai, please, you have to excuse me. I have something I want to discuss with Felix.
Welcome.
Yes, sit down. Sit down.
Sir, I want to officially inform you of my intention to marry Amanda.
Bring that drink.
Thank you, sir.
This is good. This is good. And this is how it should be.
Thank you very much.
Okwa. Luogie. Oda.
I'm moving on, yeah. I'm moving on, oh.
Chimamanda,
Mama,
please. Find a place in your heart to forgive us.
Mama,
I know that...
Mama, stop it. Mama, stop it. Please, please. Mama, you should stop. Mama, stop this, please.
Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I have done you so much wrong. I even envisioned worse to happen to you. And after all the maltreatment, look at you.
Mama, it's fine. It's okay. Eh? I have nothing against you or Ifeoma. Why am I to hold God is against you both? God has fought my battles. My fiancé, he's from a very wealthy home. So he's fine, okay? Maybe we should stop this.
They say maltreatment cannot prevent a king. And after all the ill treatment I've rented on you, God still made you what you will become. Look at my daughter. Please. Why?
It's hope. It's fine. It's
I don't know what came over me.
Stop. I'm forgiving you both. Stop. Hey. Stop. You should stop this. Please stop apologizing. Hey. Stop. As for CJ, he will come back. Hey. I will call him and I will talk to my fiancé.
You will?
It's okay, it's fine. Mama, you should not make me emotional. Please stop. Don't make me emotional. Please, Mama. Hey. Stop this now. Hey. Just don't make me emotional. Stop.
Hey.
Nothing lasts forever. Forever. Nothing lasts forever. Yeah, yeah. I don't have to give up. Giving.
Hey, compassion! Compassion! Are you not the one I'm talking to? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Listen. I know you don't love Amanda. Hey. You just want to take advantage of her, right?
Hey, leave my clothes. Right now.
I should leave your clothes. Do you think I'm a fool? Do you think you're still my teacher? Look, I'm done with my exams. Do you understand? Baby. See, I don't want to see you around my girl. Leave Amanda is my girl. I don't want to see you around her. Do you understand that? Or you have me to contend with. This will be the last one.
Leave my clothes right now! Hey! What is the problem now, eh? What is it suffer?
Look at this idiot. Try to steal my girl away from me. For this school, imagine. Wow. Nothing with person look good. Don't worry, next time.
Because of woman, I'm going on the right.
Come on.
Calm down. Where woman there, beg? Not make sense. Because of woman.
Why would he say such a thing? David is not my boyfriend. He's just my friend. We're just friends.
If I was not the one that deflowered you, I would have actually believed it.
Ha.
But don't worry. Next time he does something like that, I'll teach him a lesson.
I'm very, very sorry. I'm so sorry for making you go through all this. I'm truly sorry.
It's okay. Wow. This is impressive. Baby, you're so intelligent. I can't believe my eyes. You got all A's.
Yes, baby.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Giving and give it all.
After all the sorting, you still did not make a good result. Huh?
I didn't give them money for sorting. Oh.
Well, I gave her. I had wanted her result to be better off. At least better than Amanda's own. But no. I feel make you tell them.
Mom, I'm really sorry.
I know, man.
Mama. Mama. Papa, good afternoon. Mama, look. I passed. I had good grades.
Have
you seen yours? I heard Amanda is the highest. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Amanda is the highest.
I'm very happy for her. I did not do very well.
Really? Sorry. I'm not aware of that. I'm sorry.
You made good grades.
Yes, no, ma. Papa, Amanda passed. I passed. I'm so happy.
Congratulations. Oh.
Thank you so much, Mama.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa.
Congratulations, son.
Thank you.
No, if you don't give me the money I ask for, I will not make a move to anywhere again. Oh, you want them to know that I am poor so that you take the whole glory? That everybody will know that you are the breadwinner of the house. Foul! That is a big lie. It will not work. It will never work.
Wait. I should give you money for something you know you are supposed to do as a man?
As I don't have money, what will I do?
Hey!
Yes. Tell me.
Enough of this.
It's not enough.
It's okay now.
Talk to your mother. Talk to her.
So your father wants me to give him money?
Yes.
Where do I get the money from?
You're asking me.
Do I have a money tree in my house?
Of course, yes.
Hey.
You have a mobile ATM. Yes. You work in the very big firm. Yes. You have a money tree in between. You know what I mean.
Don't fire that your mouth.
You know what I mean. Oh, you
are insulting me.
Keep quiet. No, you think I don't know the movement you have with men? Or the thing you do with men?
Oh, it's enough now.
It's enough.
I don't blame you.
Don't blame me.
See, if not for this boy, I would have forgotten your existence since.
Is it today? You have forgotten about me since.
This thing that you now own, too much.
So you want to support?
Take it easy.
I will not go anywhere. You should go where you. I'm not going anywhere. Go. I will not go. If you are ready to give me the money, you come back. But for me, go. I will not go anywhere.
Baba. Please. Mama. Butuzienu. Take it easy. Please. I want you to forgive him. Forgive him. You can't deny the fact that he's the father of your child. Please. If you have the money, you give it to him. Biko.
You are telling me to forgive him?
Biko.
Do you know how many times I have forgiven your father in the past? See it now, look at it. Orugono Mumeketa. He said he does not have money. But he has money for drinks. He has money for women. Going from one joint to another. But now he does not have money. It's me that have money. I should give him so that he will follow us and go.
Mommy, become.
For the past 19 years, I have been the one taking care of you. Catering for you. What is he doing? He's only going about drinking from one joint to another. Carrying girls, small girls up and down. He does not have money. Well, it's me that have money now. I am the central bank manager.
At this point, I don't think it's about the money. I want you to see this at the brighter side of it. I want a united family, Mom. I want us to live together. I want you to rekindle the love and the relationship you have with my father. Please. It's one name. Biko. Please. If this is the last thing you will ever do for me, please. Do it for me, Mom, please. Gabia Kaiga. Kaiga Funoka.
It's only because of you.
I had them again, Mama.
Oh, yeah, go.
Papa.
Are you now ready to do what I say you should do? Are you ready?
Okay, I will give you the money.
Now you are talking.
I will transfer it for you.
You transfer it for
when
me?
I get inside.
That is very good. My wife, I'm very sorry. You see, please just pardon my manners. Whatever thing I must have done wrong, forgive me. I assure you right away that I promise I will be the man you dream of. The man you marry at our youth now. Don't you see the product of our togetherness?
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. That's my beautiful wife. See, women, don't give them that chance. If you give them that chance, it will finish you. I will do this. You say I drink too much. Don't worry. I will reduce it.
Can I talk?
Don't talk to me. I will talk to her.
You
If
are
she
my
don't.
father. Wait, let me tell you something.
I don't have anything to explain. I don't have no explanation. Call her. I tell her that I promise to be a better man she dreamed of. That is only when I see the money. The money is not there. I will change my mind. But
my result is bad though. Tell me, why wouldn't it be bad when I was distracted?
Thank God. Thank God that you knew and you have realized that Ifeoma was a big distraction to you.
How is Ifeoma safe? When last did you hear from her? Has she checked her own results?
It's been 2 months now. I've not heard anything from her. Well, I'm trying to summon the courage to go to her house and see her.
You should. You have to.
I hope you both will accompany me.
Oh. What are friends for? We are going with you.
For you.
We are strongly behind you. We'll go with you.
My mom.
Sharp shooter.
Hey!
We are going to have a double take. A double take. Eh?
Ify, I know you hate me so much right now, but I'm sorry. I still want you to consider my own part. I did what I did for our own betterment. I needed a space to stand as a man and own up to my responsibilities. Please, give me a second chance. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want our child to have a name. Please.
It's not always about you, CJ. You would have told me you needed more time. At least communicate. But no, you left me in the dark. I'm sorry, I can't marry you anymore.
Listen, what I did was for our own good. You don't have to say this. I'm here now, and I have come back for us. Please, give me a second chance.
Oh yeah. Nobody ever said life is smooth and fair.
Please, my love.
Oh, no, 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 no. The lies before me are tiny.
My in-law to be. The truth of the matter is that my son has erred. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. As we are here, he had to make amends.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
You are indeed a true elder.
Thank you.
That's why you've spoken so well. Because elders use words to sort themselves out.
Good. Yes.
To solve problems.
Thank you very much. It's as you see, as God may have it. Both of us now elders. We have to embrace this very moment so that it will be easier for us. Don't you see? For this very one now, is for knocking up the Kwakanoza. This very one is for introduction. So can be like I dress my wife. So just like I might
let me call the girl. Because she will open the door or close the door, whichever one. Ifeoma! Ifeoma!
Yes, Papa.
Come. Did you know they would be coming here today?
No, Papa.
So are we to close the door for them, or are you following him home?
Yes, Papa. I'll follow him.
You'll marry him?
I will marry him, Papa.
Okay, so I should accept these drinks.
Go ahead, Papa.
Hey!
Okay.
Go on and do what you can rule it. It's your world, it's your life. Make it the life you want to live. Make it the life you want to live. Nobody else said life is easier. Oh yeah. Nobody ever said life is smooth and fair. Oh no, 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 no. The lies before me are tiny matters that lay